Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Mathkart by Nidhi. So in this today's video we are going to do the solution of exercise 5.2 of your book Mathematics in Everyday Life. The topic is fractions. Already I have covered 5.1 in the previous video and we will be covering 5.3, 4, 5 in the next videos. I should tell you about this thing. This whole exercise is based on types of fractions. So I will be giving you little ideas of all the types of fractions in this video, as this video is totally for the solution part for the exercise. If you want to understand the types of fractions, so you should check out my video types of fractions. I'll be giving you the link in the description box for the same, right? So let's get started. Question number 1. Which of the following fractions are like pairs and unlike pairs? So as students, I have already discussed in my videos types of fractions that like and unlike are one of the types of the fractions. So like fractions are those fractions which have the denominators are same, and unlike fractions are those fractions whose denominators are different, not same, right? So here we have to identify which are like and which are unlike. So let us see. Here we have 3/7 and 5/7. So as I told you, we have to see the denominators. Denominators are 7 and 7. Both are equal. So that means it is a like pair. We will write down here like pairs. 7/8 and 2/11. Here both the denominators are different. So these are unlike pairs. 3/5 and 3/11. These are like or unlike? Yes? No, it is unlike pairs. Why? I am just telling you right now. So students, as the definitions of unlike fractions says that we need to check out the denominators. Here you see, we'll say, ma'am, numerators are same but denominators are different. So that means it is like? No, it is not. Because always keep in mind that while identifying like and unlike pairs, you need to take care that all the time we need to check only the denominator, not the numerators, right? So here denominators are different, so these are unlike pairs. Fourth part, 5 1/3 and 3 1/5. 3 and 5, these are the denominators. These are different, so they will be unlike pairs. 2 2/3 and 2 1/3. 3 and 3. These are the denominators, 3 and 3. So they will be like pairs. 7/16 and 9/16. Guesses? Correct. These are like pairs. So in your book there are total 8 parts. So I hope children the concept is clear. So you can do the 7th and 8th part by your own, right? So let's see the question number 2. So question number 2 says that which of the following pairs are proper fractions? So proper fraction is also one of the type of fraction. In this, what do you mean by proper fractions, students? Proper fractions are those fractions whose numerator is always smaller than a denominator, right? And there is another part that is called improper fraction. Improper fraction are just opposite. In improper fraction, the denominator is bigger than the numerator. One trick which I myself discovered to make you learn easily that what is improper and what is proper. Students, just see, when your teacher is giving you mark and suppose you scored 9 out of 10 marks. So teacher are writing which way? 9/10 or 10/9? Yes, it is 9/10. So this is the correct way of giving the marks, right? So this is the proper fraction. This is the proper way. So this is the proper fraction and this is the improper fraction. This is just I have discovered, I have identified, so you can also use it to memorize the difference between the proper and improper fraction. Let us see the question now. So as I told you, proper means whose numerator is smaller than the denominator. So here 6. Students, we know very well when we do not have any denominator, so we used to place a 1. So 1 is here in the denominator and numerator is bigger, so it is not a proper one. Is it? It is a proper. So I am circling it. 13. Numerator is bigger than the denominator? No. Numerator is bigger than the denominator? No. Numerator is smaller than the denominator? Yes, it is. No. No. Yes. So here 2 by 5, 19 by 21 and 36 upon 101 are proper fractions. I hope children it is clear to you. So now let us see question number 3. Question number 3. Question number 3 says that which of the following are improper fractions? So improper fraction, just now I have told you in question number 2, improper are just opposite of proper fractions. So let us see what are improper. Here numerator is smaller, denominator is bigger. So it is an proper fraction. 9 upon 1, because when we are writing like this way, so we can identify it is an improper fraction where denominator is smaller than the numerator, or we can say numerator is bigger than the denominator. 17 upon 25? No. 21 upon 16? Yes, it is n. 9 upon 5 and no other one. So we can write down 9, 21 upon 16 and 9 upon 5 are the improper fractions. Correct? So let us see question number 4. Question number 4 says that convert the following improper fraction into mixed fraction. So improper, we know children what are the improper fraction? Where denominator is smaller than the numerator. Mixed fraction is one of the type of fraction in which we know how to write down mixed fraction. Means mixed fraction is a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. So there is a proper way of converting the improper fraction into the mixed fraction. Let us see how to convert it. So for this reason we need to divide the numerator by the denominator, as we are doing the simple division. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10 and remainder is 3. So we always write down the mixed fraction when we are converting into QRD form. Q means quotient, R means remainder and D means divisor. Quotient is the answer of the division sum, that is 2. Remainder is 3 and divisor is by what number we are dividing, it is 5. So when we converted 13 upon 5 into the mixed fraction, it has been converted into 3 upon 5. This is the remainder, this is the quotient and this is the divisor. Right? So we usually write down in the format of QRD. Let us see the second part. So it is 92 by 13. Let us see how to do it. 92. 13, 7s are 91. 1 is the remainder. So this is the quotient, this is the remainder and this is the divisor. So when we write down QRD, quotient was 7, remainder is 1 and divisor is 13. So the answer is 7, 1 upon 13. Third part is 71 upon 9. So let us do 9 7s are 63. Remainder is 8. So it is QRD. Quotient is 7. Remainder is 8 and divisor is 9. So answer is 7, 8 upon 9. Fourth part is 63 upon 8. Let us see. 63. 8 1s are 8, 8 to 68, 3 24, 4 38, 5 are 48, 6 are 48, 8 7s are 56, 8 8s are 64. So 8 7s are 56 will come. And here the remainder will be 7. So QRD form. Quotient is 7, remainder is 7 and the divisor is 8. Fifth part is 103 upon 15. We know 15 6 is 90. So when we subtract we get 3 and 1, 13 as the remainder. So QRD will be Quotient is 6, remainder is 13 and divisor is 15. Students, one more thing to be noted down, that always just check remainder cannot be exceeding the divisor, right? So remainder cannot be bigger than the divisor. So whenever you are performing the division sum, just check it out. If your remainder is bigger than the divisor, that means you are doing it wrong. Sixth part is 88 upon 17. 88, 17. 17 5s are 85. 3. 3 is the remainder. So QRD form will be 5, 3 upon 17. Right? So here in this book, you have been given with 8 parts. So I have done it here till 6. 7th and 8th part you can try by yourself, right? Question number 5. Question number 5 says that convert the following mixed fractions into improper fractions. So this is just the opposite question of question number 4, the reverse one. There we have converted the improper into mixed. Here we are converting the mixed into improper. So let us see how to do. So here question number 1 says that 3, 5.7. 3 is the whole number part and 5.7 is the proper fraction part. So how to do it? We'll go like this way, this direction. First of all, we'll see the denominator, that is 7. We'll multiply the 7 by the whole number 3 and then we will add the numerator, and denominator will be as same as the denominator given. So we here will multiply 7 3s are 21 plus 5 upon 7, that will be 26 upon 7. Students, you can skip this step also as well. You can directly do 7 3s are 21 plus 5 26. Directly you can write down 26 upon 7. It is as per your choice. So you can include this step also, or you can directly, by skipping this step, you can directly go on this step. I hope it is clear. Let us see more questions of this part. Second part, 8, 3 by 5. So as I told you, first we'll write down the denominator, then the whole number part, then the numerator. Upon denominator is same. So I'm doing it directly. 5 8s are 40 plus 3, 43. 43 upon 5. Third part is 4, 7 upon 9. So we'll write down denominator, the whole number plus the numerator. Denominator will be same as it is. So 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 7 will be 43. So 43 upon 9. Fourth part is 5, 3 upon 11. So we'll write down the denominator, the whole number part and the numerator upon the denominator. So 11 5s are 55 and plus 3 is 58. 58 upon 11. Fifth part, denominator into whole number plus numerator upon 10. So it will be 10 into 13 is 130 plus 7, 137 upon 10. Sixth part, 6 5 by 6. So we'll do denominator into the whole number plus numerator upon denominator. 6 6 are 36 plus 5 will be 41 upon 6. Denominator into whole number plus the numerator upon 8. 11 8s are 88. 91 upon 8. So in your book there are total 8 parts. I guess 8 part now you will be able to do by your own. Let us see the next question, question number 6. So question number 6 says that write a fraction equivalent to. So what do you mean by equivalent fraction? If you do not know the equivalent fraction, then you can go to my another video. In that I have already explained about the equivalent fractions. I'll give the link in the description box as well. So let us see the first part, 3 upon 5 with denominator 20. So denominator 20 means we need to make the denominator 5 equivalent to 20. So how to write down? First let us see the format. We'll write down like this way, and we have to make the denominator as 20. So I'm going to write down 20 in the denominator part. Now we need to check that 5 in the table of 5, 20 will come at what place? So we'll start with the table of 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s 15 and 5 4s are 20. So we need to write down here 4. So as we know children, for making out the equivalent fraction, we need to multiply the number with the same denominator and numerator. So we have multiplied here by 4. So we'll be multiplying 4 with the numerator as well. So 3 4s are 12. So now the required answer is 12 upon 20. So second part, 6 upon 7 with numerator 18. So we have to write down in the same format 6 upon 7 multiply by something and the numerator should be 18. Here denominator was given, so that's why I have placed the denominator 20, and here numerator 18 is given, so I am going to place 18 in the numerator place. So again the same step will be followed. We need to read the table of 6. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. So 3 will be here. So same number has to be multiplied by the denominator as well for making the equivalent fraction. 7 3s are 21. So the required answer is 18 by 21. Third part, 3 upon 8 with denominator 40. So well, let us see, write down the same format. 3 upon 8 multiply by something, we'll get the denominator 40. If denominator is given, so I am going to place in the denominator place. If numerator is given, we will be placing in the numerator place. So 8, we have to count till 40. As we know, 8 5s are 40. So we are going to multiply the numerator also by 5. 3 5s are 15. So the correct answer is 15 upon 40. Let's see the fourth part, 5 upon 9 multiply by something and we need to make it as the numerator 15. So we are going to read the table of 5 till 15. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. So 3 is also to be multiplied by the denominator. 9 3s are 27. So the required answer is 15 by 27. Question number 7. Write 4 fractions equivalent to each of the following. Children, we have done right now the previous question in which we have multiplied by the desired number, but here simply it is asked that we need to write down equivalent fractions, 4 equivalent fractions. So we can multiply these numbers by any of the number, but make sure that we are multiplying with the same number with the numerator and the denominator. So here we are doing, first of all I am taking the number as 2. 5 2s are 10, 7 2s are 14, right? So here we can take any number of your choice. I am taking 2, then I am taking 3. 5 3s are 15 and 7 3s are 21. Now I am taking the another number, that is 4. 5 4s are 20 and 7 4s are 28. Next number 5. 5 5s are 25 and 7 5s are 35. So here I have taken the consecutive number, means 2, 3, 4, 5. But it is your own choice. You can take any of the number to multiply and to make the equivalent fraction. So the 4 equivalent fractions are 10 upon 14, 15 upon 21, 20 upon 28 and 25 upon 35. Second part is 8 upon 11. So here I am multiplying first of all by 2. 8 2s are 16 and 11 2s are 22. Then I am going to multiply by 3. 8 3s are 24 and 11 3s are 33. Then I am going to multiply by 4. 8 4s are 32 and 11 4s are 44. Then I am going to multiply by 5. 8 5s are 40 and 11 5s are 55. So these are the equivalent fractions: 16 upon 22, 24 upon 33, 32 upon 44 and 40 upon 55. Third part is 4 upon 9. 4 upon 9 multiply by 2 and 2. 4 2s are 8, 9 2s are 18. 4 upon 9 multiply by 3. 4 3s are 12 and 9 3s are 27. 4 upon 9 multiply by 4. 4 4s are 16 and 9 4s are 36. 4 upon 9 multiply by 5. 5 4s are 20 and 9 5s are 45. So the equivalent fractions are 8 upon 18, 12 upon 27, 16 upon 36 and 20 upon 45. Fourth part is 3 upon 8. So let us do 3 upon 8 multiply by 2. 3 2s are 6 and 8 2s are 16. 3 upon 8 multiply by 3. 3 3s are 9 and 8 is 24. 3 upon 8 multiply by 4. 3 4s are 12 and 8 4s are 32. 3 upon 8 multiply by 5. 3 5s are 15 and 8 5s are 40. So these are the equivalent fractions of 3 upon 8, 6 upon 16, 9 upon 24, 12 upon 32 and 15 upon 40. Question number 8 says that write 5 equivalent fractions for 12 upon 36. Students, till now we have done in the previous questions to make the equivalent fractions we have just multiplied. So here I am just showing you that we can, instead of multiply, we can use the division method also for doing this, but in that case we need to take care that the numerator and denominator should have a common factor. Like here we have 12 and 36. We know both are even numbers, so of course they are divisible by 2. So I am dividing by 2 and then we will get 6 upon 18, right? Yes or no? Yes. One more time I can do. I can divide by 3 as well, because 3 is also the common factor between them. 3 4s are 12 and 3 12s are 36, right? Anything else which is a common factor in between 12 and 6? 12 and 36? Yes, 6. So 12 upon 36 I am trying to divide by 6. So it will be 6 to the 12 and 6 6 are 36. So here I got 3 equivalent fractions by dividing, but I guess now there is no another number which is dividing both of them, is it? Yes, it is there. 4. 12 upon 36 divided by 4. 4 3 is 12 and 4 9 is 36. So it was 3 upon 9. Can we have another number which is dividing 12 and 36? Yes, it is 12. So 12 upon 36 divided by 12. 12 ones are 12 and 12 threes are 36. So here are the equivalent fractions of 12 upon 36 are 6 upon 18, 4 upon 12, 2 upon 6, 3 upon 9 and 1 upon 3. Here we can do it by multiplying also. Either you can multiply it by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 according to yourself. So this is question number 9. Check whether given fractions are equivalent. So students, till now we have learned how to make equivalent fractions. Now it's time to check that whether the given fractions are equivalent or not. So there is a very easy and quick method, that is the cross multiplication, that I am going to use it here to find out whether they are equivalent or not. So let us see how to do it. 3 upon 7 and 15 upon 35. As the name said, cross multiply. That means we are going to multiply them in cross. That means 3 will be multiplied by 35 and 15 will be multiplied by 7. Make sure that, see, I have not changed the places of the numerators, right? Denominators I have written here in the cross, but the numerators, if 3 is on the left side, so it will be on the left side. 15 is on the right side, so it will be on right side. So 3 into 35, 3 5s are 15 and 105, right? And 15 7s are, of course it is 105. So if both the answers are same, that means the given fractions are equivalent. So we can say here, yes, the given fractions are equivalent. If the answers are not same or not equal, so then we'll write it down, no, the given fractions are not equivalent. So let us see the second part. So second part says that 4 upon 7 and 12 upon 14. Let us do the cross multiplication. 4 upon 7 and 12 upon 14. So 4 will be multiplied by 14 and 12 will be multiplied by 7. 4 multiplied by 14 will be equal to 56. And 12 multiplied by 7 will be equal to 84. Are they equal? No, they are not equal. This is the sign of not equal. So we can write down, no, the given fractions are not equivalent. Clear? Third part is 7 upon 5 and 21 upon 10. So we'll write down 7 upon 5, 21 upon 10. We are going to cross multiply. So 7 multiplied by 10 will be 70 and 21 multiplied by 5 will be 105. Are they equal? No. So they are not equivalent. So we can write down no, the given fractions are not equivalent. So we can write down no, the given fractions are not equivalent. Fifth part is 5 upon 9 and 20 upon 36. So let us do 5 upon 9 and 20 upon 36. 5 multiplied by 36 will be equal to 180 and 20 multiplied by 9 will be equal to 180. Both are equal. So we can write down yes, the given fractions are equivalent. So in your book there are total 6 parts. I hope 5 parts I have made you clear. So 6th part you can do by your own for your practice part. Let us see question number 10. Question number 10. Question number 10 says that write the fractions and check whether they are equivalent or not. First of all, we need to find out what is the given fraction. So it is like one part is shaded out of 4. So this is known as 1 upon 4 and here 2 parts are shaded out of 8. So these are 2 upon 8. So now let us see by using the cross multiplication method 1 upon 4 and 2 upon 8. 1 will be multiplied by 8 and 2 will be multiplied by 4 and both are 1 8 is 8 and 2 4 is 8. Both are equal. So we can say yes, they are equivalent. Correct? As simple as that. Let us see the second part. So let us see what is the given fraction. Here there are total 6 dots. Out of 6 dots, 2 dots are colored. So this is known as 2 upon 6. Here total there are 9 boxes and out of which 4 are colored. So the given fraction is 4 upon 9. So let us see by using cross multiplication method 2 upon 6 and 4 upon 9. 2 will be multiplied by 9 and 4 will be multiplied by 6. 2 9s are 18 and 4 6 are 24. So they both are not equal. So we can write down no, they are not equivalent. I hope it is clear. So in the third part, the given fraction is 1 upon 2 because one part is covered out of 2 and it is 2 upon 4 because 2 parts are colored out of 4. So let us check whether they are equivalent or not. 1 will be multiplied by 4 and 2 will be multiplied by 2. So it is 4 and this is also 4. So we can write down yes, they are equivalent. So this is the last part of this exercise. The given fraction is 2 upon 3 and here the given fraction is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 upon 6. So let us see 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 6. 2 will multiply by 6 and 3 will be multiplied by 4. 2 6 are 12 and 4 3 are 12. Both are equal. So we can say yes, they are equivalent. So I hope students all the questions are clear to you. Totally this exercise was based upon types of fractions. If you do not know or if you have some confusion in any type of the fraction, so you can go through with my video types of fractions. I will be giving the link in the description box for the same video. So we will meet in the next video very soon. Till then, stay safe, stay at home. Bye bye. Thank you so much.